Man 82, another customer's house. A lady backed into the garage door and now we're left with this. So we are going to try to attempt to fix it. You could say crawl underneath, not a good idea. Alright, well, we'll pause it and we'll get back to you. You want video? Do that and then see the little lines? Just... Yeah, over there, Spencer Hill. It just...
Go ahead. Oh, it is bent.
I mean, how? She must have backed in. It's hard.
That roller's broken.
This one? This track is bent like hell. This is what's holding us. I think we're gonna have to. I mean, how do you do something that to hold back into this? You should be able to F this up. Oh yeah, this thing's bent to shit here. That's where the door blew out. Give me the other. Okay, yeah. How's this chair? Is it okay? Or is
Yeah,
it?
it's okay.
Oh, am I gonna? Yep. Yeah, it is all jacked up back here. So, yep. It's all wrapped up. That door down there is. We got to get this thing. She's gonna need new springs.
These springs are under tension. That's the problem.
Yes.
I don't know how we're going to get this door down.
You think we're biting off more we can chew?
We got to get that door
Down. But how are we gonna get it down? That track is messed up. The only way we can get that door down is if we loosen that track.
The springs are under tension. This is dangerous right now.
Yeah. All right.
Your next
Next attempt.
next video, next time we turn the camera and say, "Oh, is it wrong?"
Yeah.
Oh.
That don't matter though. But we're trying to attempt to. We're gonna do. I know if we get the door all the way down because of that track over there, we're gonna have to get this side up and vice grip it.
This is the worst one we've ever seen. It's too bad if I can't just only get this thing.
The only way we can get that over is you just take the ball bat over there and push that thing this way.
Oh, I got an idea. There we go. I just need some slack. Get that cable back on the pulley.
Oh shit, I'm still running. Alright you guys, it took us some time to figure this out, but we got it. Door straight, it's on the floor. Just gotta put one roller in. Luckily we didn't have to solder springs. They're nice, but... Alright, let's get this dog up, see how she feels, and we can get on our way. Well, we just had to hammer the bracket out. Now I'm just putting it back in place.
How was the rail all bent up?